You won't believe what Kawasaki did with the 2025 Ninja 500 SE ABS, because this isn't just another entry-level sport bike, it's proof that Kawasaki knows exactly what beginner and intermediate riders want right now. Let's start with what makes it stand out. The Ninja 500 SE ABS isn't just a slight upgrade from the older Ninja 400. Kawasaki gave it a larger displacement parallel twin engine, bumping it up to 451 cubic centimeters, which means more torque and mid-range power without sacrificing that easy-to-handle character riders love. This gives the bike a noticeable boost when you're overtaking cars on the highway or pushing it through twisty backroads. For riders who felt the 400 was just a bit underpowered, the 500 hits the sweet spot. Kawasaki kept the bike approachable with a low seat height around 30.9 inches, so you can flat-foot it even if you're not tall. That's huge for new riders who want confidence at stoplights and in parking lots. The ergonomics are sporty but still comfortable enough for daily commuting or weekend rides. The fairings look aggressive and modern, taking design cues from the bigger Ninjas, but the special edition stands out with unique graphics, a vivid paint scheme, and even a smoked windscreen that gives it that extra premium vibe. ABS is standard on this SE model, which is great because not only does it add safety, but it's a feature more new riders expect these days. Kawasaki also made sure the braking system is progressive and confidence-inspiring, so you don't feel like you're going to lock up the front wheel. The slipper clutch is another feature you'd normally see on bigger bikes, but it's here too, giving you smoother downshifts and reducing wheel hop if you get a little too eager with the throttle. One thing I really love is how Kawasaki didn't just focus on performance specs but also on real-world usability. You get a digital dash that's easy to read, showing your gear position, fuel economy, and all the basics. It's not cluttered with stuff you don't need. They also made sure the bike has a decent fuel tank size, so you're not stopping for gas every hour. The LED lighting all around is sharp and bright, which not only looks good but keeps you more visible to other drivers. It's the kind of thoughtful touch that makes a big difference, especially if you're riding early in the morning or at night. For a lot of new riders, the sound of the exhaust matters almost as much as the performance. Kawasaki tweaked the exhaust note to give you a little more growl without making it obnoxious. It still has that classic Ninja parallel twin buzz, but with a throatier tone when you open it up. Maintenance is still simple and affordable, so you don't need to be a mechanic to keep this thing running strong. What's even more impressive is the value. The Ninja 500 SE ABS is priced aggressively for what you get, a step up in power and features without breaking the bank. Kawasaki knows they're competing with bikes like the Honda CB500R and the Yamaha R3, so they made sure the Ninja has that edge in style, features, and riding feel. This bike isn't trying to be the fastest thing on the street. It's designed to be the perfect first or second bike that you can grow with, whether you're learning the basics or carving up your favorite canyon roads on the weekend. It's forgiving when you need it to be, but still fun enough to keep you excited every time you twist the throttle. And let's be honest, it looks way more expensive than it is. The 2025 Ninja 500 SE ABS shows that Kawasaki is still listening to riders who want the right mix of performance, practicality, and style. If you're looking for a bike that makes you look and feel like you're riding a proper sport bike without the intimidation factor of a 600 or 1000 cubic centimeters monster, this is it. So if you've been waiting for an excuse to get into riding or upgrade from a smaller bike, this might just be the year you finally do it. The 2025 Ninja 500 SE ABS is here, and it's ready to prove that you don't need big horsepower to have big fun. Believe the hype because Kawasaki really did it this time.